this event, none of them has a cable. They think it's a little old Bastrop, you know, but they were willing to lay aside everything that they were doing to be a part of this because they saw there was a need and they saw where they could help.
And this was the most perfect opportunity, being that this is his hometown and this is how he became to be so wonderful, you know? And so it's a true honor and blessing for me to be here. And I hope we raise lots of money and the food pantry exceeds its expectations of what it wants, because it is a most stellar organization. And I know it's only 30 minutes outside of Austin.
Yes.
And I'm here and I've been there, so I can say I have been to Bastrop.